Good morning, children. Today we were starting chapter 11, Biological Classification. Biological classification is the scientific procedure of arranging organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities and placing the group in hierarchy of categories. Hierarchies of categories means a long long steps. It it consists of different kinds of systems. Two kingdom classification. Two kingdom classification is divided into Plantae and Animalia. Three kingdom classification is divided into Plantae, Protista and Animalia. Five kingdom classification is given by Whittaker. It is divided into Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. In two kingdom system of classification, organisms are grouped on the basis of presence or absence of cell wall as proposed by Linnaeus. So it is depend on what beta? Two system classification is based on presence and absence of cell wall. Three kingdom system, Haeckel separated unicellular animals, algae and fungi on the basis of lack of tissue differentiation, and new kingdom Protista was introduced. In this Protista was introduced, algae is differently placed, fungi is differently placed. Five kingdom classification is given by R. H. Whittaker. It is given by R. H. Whittaker, divided all the organisms into five kingdom. First is what, boys and girls? First is Monera. First is Monera. The kingdom includes all prokaryotes, mycoplasma. It includes mycoplasma, bacteria, actinomycetes and cyanobacteria. Mycoplasma example PPLO bacteria, different types of bacteria. Actinomycetes come in some category. Cyanobacteria means blue green algae. They are what? They are unicellular prokaryotes and contain the most primitive of living forms. The cells are microscopic and cell wall is generally present. Genetic materials are do not organize into nucleus. Materials are not organized into nucleus and contain naked DNA. They contain what? Naked DNA. Naked DNA. Membrane bound organelles are absent. As they are prokaryotes, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Reproduction is asexual. Only gene recombination is present. Flagella may be present of single stranded. Example is what? Moneran. Example is what? Blue green algae. Example is blue green algae and bacteria. So we will study what? Bacteria. Bacteria are the most abundant microorganisms that can survive in all kind of climate. So bacteria are of four types. Which four types? First is coccus, which is spherical in shape. Second is spirillum, which is spiral in shape. Third is bacillus, that is rod shaped. Vibrio, that is coma shaped. So there are four types of bacteria: coccus, cocci, spirillum, bacillus, vibrio. These are the diagrams: cocci, spherical shape; bacillus, spiral shaped; spirulina, spiral shaped; bacillus, rod shaped; and this vibrio, comma shaped. They are group of most primitive prokaryotes which are live under most hostile conditions like extreme salty areas. They are found in salty areas. Like when they are found in salty areas, they are called as halophiles. Hot springs, they are called as thermoacidophiles. And marshy areas, they are called as methogens. They differ from other bacteria in having different cell wall structure, absence of peptidoglycan. Methogens are generally present. Methogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals. They are present in several ruminant animals. So methogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals like cows and buffalo, which is responsible for the production of what? Biogas, which is responsible for biogas methane from dung of these animals. So methogens are present in the gut of ruminant animals like cows and buffalo, which produce what? Biogas, methane gas from the dung of these animals. Now we have studied what? Bacteria. Now comes eubacteria. Eubacteria means they are called as true bacteria. They are called as true bacteria. They contain rigid cell wall. They have what? Rigid. They have rigid cell wall. If motile contain flagellum, cyanobacteria or blue-green algae are gram-positive photosynthetic bacteria. They contain chlorophyll A and carotenoids. They may be unicellular, colonial or filamentous. They are found in freshwater, marine or in terrestrial habitat. Some of them have specialized heterocyst cells to perform nitrogen fixation. Like nostoc is having heterocyst in which nitrogen fixing stage is present through which nitrogen is fixed. Nostoc and Anabina, which are used in rice paddy fields for nitrogen fixation. Chemosynthetic bacteria oxidize inorganic substances like nitrate, nitrite, ammonia, etc. to produce energy and help in recycling of nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. Here eubacteria is divided into autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic is divisible into photosynthetic and chemosynthetic. This photosynthetic example is blue-green algae, nostoc, Anabina. The example of chemosynthetic is different examples that we don't have in our course. It Heterotrophic bacteria are most abundant and act as decomposer. They are helpful in production of curd, antibiotics and fixing nitrogen in some leguminous plants like Rhizobium through. Some of them are pathogenic and cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, tetanus and citrus canker. Now we'll move towards mycoplasma. They are the simplest free living prokaryotes. They are also known as PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organisms. They lack cell wall and can survive without oxygen. The important line, they can survive without oxygen. They cause disease in plants and animals. Example is tobacco mosaic virus.